everyone! If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel. This video, we're gonna be creating the festive makeup look, glitter and all, cause why not? This is a season when it's acceptable to wear glitter and like all over the top glitter in a public and no one can judge you. Alright, so thinking without any further ado, let's start. I'm not wearing any makeup whatsoever at the moment, as you can see. So I'm starting by using the face cream, my normal face cream. And this little gadget in here is by Spa Science and it's called Aero. So basically what it does, it makes any face product like cream, serum, oil, whatever you use to go deeper into your skin. Therefore it works better and faster and gives more benefits rather than just sitting on the top of the skin when you apply just with the fingers. I actually currently do the proper review for this because I want to do 2 weeks review, so I think this is gonna be after this video. So I've been using this for like 3-4 days now and oh my god, my skin already looks so much better. My acne disappeared. All I have is this redness after the spots. It's not even scars, it's just a redness where the spots were, but the surface of the skin is absolutely clear. No bumps or lumps or anything. There's no acne at all going on. There's just a bit of a redness. That's it. So I'm like super excited about this gadget. This is not even an acne cream, although I do use acne cream as well, and I use this thing, but I don't use as much as a moisturizer, you know. So far this little gadget works for sure, 100%. I want to still do a proper in-depth review on that. Okay, so I'm just applying with my fingers cream like I normally do. Then I'm taking this one. Alright, so I'm gonna quickly do the eyebrows and then we're gonna do the eyes. So for eyebrows, I'm gonna go with Define and Fill Brow Pencil in dark brown. So I'm gonna apply a bit of a face primer prior priming my eyelids. For my eyelids, I'm using the Conceal and Define Concealer in the C5. I'm gonna go a bit in the inner eye corner as well and over the bridge of my nose. And I'm gonna quickly set this up with Loose Setting Powder by Makeup Revolution and Conceal and Fix. This one is in Translucent. For today's eyeshadow look, I'm using the Dana Altivarish eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna start with a color called Tangerine and go as a transition color. I have the crease is. If your eyes are open, you can see this color. And I'm kind of dragging this slightly bit out of the outer corner of the eye. Taking the color called Burgundy, just back and blend slightly bit inwards, close to the lash line, and a little bit to this transition color, just on the outer corner. So I'm taking the color called Mocha, which is a dark brown, and a small dense brush, and I'm gonna go on the outer corners in this C shape. Just gonna back this color first, so close to the lash line as well. Kind of like a C shape, and a bit on this transition color, and then I'm taking a fluffier brush and just gonna blend this. I'm taking a color called White, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go on this part where we haven't applied the shadow yet. So what I'm doing now, I'm taking a little bit more of this Mocha, the dark brown that we used before, and a small dense brush, and going close to my lash line, basically like a eyeliner kinda, and I'm just working this into my lash line. So first we need a little bit of a shimmer on here, so I'm done with this palette at the moment. I'm going to the Revolution Foil Frenzy Fusion palette. I'm gonna use this light color in the corner here, basically going all over my bullet. Alright, so we're gonna leave eyes where it is just now and apply the foundation, and then we're gonna finish off the eye look. I'm gonna use the NYX Can't Stop One Stop in medium olive. So as you see, I'm correcting the outer corners of the eyes a little bit with a sponge. Alright, so next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply a bit of the setting powder. So I'm coming back with the same Conceal and Fix and Translucent by Makeup Revolution. So while the foundation is setting in, as I just applied the setting powder, I'm gonna finish off the eyeshadow. So I'm coming back with Donna Altovarish eyeshadow palette, the mocha and the burgundy color, and gonna go on a lower lash line. So gonna start with the darker one, the mocha, on the outer corner. Dragging slightly into the middle, and then I'm taking the burgundy color. I'm gonna take the color Cool Deep and gonna go in the inner eye corner. Feel like we need a little bit of a glitter, so I'm going with the Eye Glisten Oil and Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow in the color Yours Truly, and gonna use this glitter part. Oh wait, I really like this eyeshadow because it's the easiest way to apply glitter. Because if you would use a normal glitter, you need a glitter glue and it might be messy, especially if you already have a foundation like I do now. You would definitely have fallouts and all. But with this, there's no fallouts, there's no mess. Easiest way to apply glitter. If you haven't used this yet, go get it. And this is the purple dupe of the Huda Beauty one. Alright, let's do some contouring so we can do another part of this makeup. So for my contour, I'm gonna use Contour and Glow palette by Revolution. I'm using this so much, and I took this for my recent vacay to Thailand, and the logo is wearing off already, so I'm sorry about that. But I'm gonna use this darker shade for contouring. For the blush, I'm using the NYX Sweet Cheeks palette and this warm orangey blush. And for the highlighter, I'm coming back with the Contour and Glow palette. This is the darker highlighter shade. So you could leave your eyes the way it is now, just apply the mascara or falsies, completely up to you. But I'm gonna go a step further. I'm gonna apply some diamantes. It costs only 80 pence, it's from Primark. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply in the random places on the outer corner of my eye and like over the eyebrow and just random. So I'm gonna use the adhesive for the lashes, basically a lash glue to stuck on these diamantes. Go. First one is on. Oh my god, I love it! So So as you see, I literally placing this randomly and just going kinda up on it. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna use my NYX On The Rise mascara and the Wake Up and Makeup Good Morning Natural Magnetic Lashes. The logo cleaned off of this one because I took it for my makeup as well. I'm literally obsessed with this falsies, by the way, magnetic falsies, because it's super easy to use. I'm gonna apply this on and I'm gonna come back to you. Alright you guys, we are nearly done. It's just a lippy, but it's left to do a lipstick, so you can go nude, red, or any color you wish, or you can go with glitter, because why not? So I'm just gonna go with more glitter. I'm gonna go with the Glitter Switch by Lottie in the Dream On. Basically, it's a color changing lipstick. First it goes matte, and if you want you can switch it to look glittery. You know, you could leave your lips matte like it's now, and I think it's quite nice. Or you can go glossy or glittery like I'm gonna do just in a second. So you just need to leave this lip to dry off a little bit. And that's a finished look. What do you guys think? I really hope you guys like this makeup look that I created and you're gonna go and recreate this. If so, please tag me in your pictures, as I would love to see those, honestly. And yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and let me know in the comments down below what you would like to see next on my channel, and I shall see you soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Have a great day guys. Ciao for now.